If you want to learn how to build a one-person AI business in 2026, I'm about to show you my exact AI workflow so you can literally copy me step by step, and how you can do it in less than 24 hours. And I'm not talking about some vague AI side hustle. I'm talking about a real business that runs almost completely on autopilot, without hiring anyone, without spending tons of money on ads, and without wasting weeks trying to figure out what works. Because let's be honest, everyone's telling you to just use AI for your business, but nobody's actually showing you how to make it all work. So I did the work for you. I tested dozens of different AI tools and workflows, and I found 3 that actually connect to create a real system. And once you set it up, it runs automatically for you. So by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what those 3 tools are, how they work together, and how you can copy my 3-step workflow to start your own one-person business, even if you're a complete beginner. And unlike most of the other online business tutorials here on YouTube, I'm not going to leave you high and dry without giving you a marketing strategy. At the end of this tutorial, I'm going to share my 3 favorite marketing strategies that are relevant right now. One of them is so new, I'm 99.9% sure you probably haven't even heard of it. Oh, and I almost forgot, I made a free video checklist to go along with this video with every step and every tool and every prompt I use so that you know exactly what to do after this tutorial. You could grab a copy of it from the link below this video so that you can follow along. So if you're actually ready to stop overthinking and start building a one-person business that actually works, let's jump into step number 1. So the first tool in our AI workflow that we're going to use is ChatGPT agent mode. And if you haven't used agent mode yet, it's basically ChatGPT but on steroids, because it can actually complete tasks and think through problems step by step, browse the internet in real time, and give you way more detailed answers than the regular ChatGPT chat. But you need to know how to prompt it correctly or you'll still get really basic responses. So you need to use a prompt like this one that I created after a lot of trial and error. And yes, I know it's really long, but the better you know how to prompt, the better and more accurate responses you'll get from ChatGPT AI agent. But don't worry about pausing the video to type this whole prompt out, because I created the video checklist that includes every step and every prompt from this video, and you can copy and paste the prompt from there. The link to get the checklist is down in the description. And what this prompt is gonna do is get ChatGPT agent mode to do deep research for me to find and recommend the most profitable products to sell right now. Specifically by asking it to find a gap in the market on Etsy where we can insert a product that has the highest chances of selling. I'm using Etsy for this example, but you can also use Amazon or ask it to search Google. And ChatGPT agent mode can do this 100 times faster and more accurate than I could ever do this myself, which is why if you really want to start a one-person business in 2026, you need to use AI. Now, I'm going to submit this prompt so ChatGPT agent can get to work, which you can see here, because it actually takes a few minutes to do the research and respond because it's doing actual tasks and searching website data in real time for you. And while it's working, which you can see here, let me explain why this one-person business idea is one of my favorites. Because I know a lot of you are thinking, Stacy, why physical products? Everyone says digital products are way easier. And look, digital products are great, but everyone is creating them right now because AI makes it so easy, which means that market is getting saturated fast. And selling information online is getting harder and harder, unless you know how to curate it and put it together correctly. But what all these other marketing or online business coaches or gurus are forgetting right now is that people still love shopping online. And when they receive their packages in the mail, there's a big dopamine hit. And this is something that AI or digital products will never be able to fulfill. But now you might be thinking, to sell physical products, won't I have to buy inventory up front and pay to ship those products to my customers? Not anymore, because we're going to use Printify to do the product creation and shipping for us. And it's completely automated. You never have to touch a single product or even pay for them up front. And that's how we're creating time freedom, which is the whole point of starting a one-person business. Because what's the point of having an online business if you're still working 12 hours a day, right? But sorry for the long talking point, but I needed to wait for ChatGPT agent to finish before we could move on anyways. But let's see if it found us a winning product yet. Okay, so if you look here, you can see it just finished, and here it's given us a full analysis that includes what's trending, the products that are currently winning on Etsy right now, with links if you want to take a look to see what they look like, where the gaps are in the market, price analysis, and what type of product would work best to fill the gap. It even goes deep on who our audience is, their buyer psychology and behavior, which is really important for the marketing step, which I'm going to cover at the end of the video, so make sure you keep watching. So when you get your response, take your time and read through it so you actually understand it. And when you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see the product recommendation that ChatGPT found and suggests for us to create. For me, at the time I'm making this video, it's an embroidered hoodie with a cute animal and humor-related design, and it explains why right here. Pause the video if you want to read the explanation it gave to me, but don't just copy this idea. Because depending on when you watch this video and do this process, the analysis will be completely different. Things change quickly, so you always want to run this prompt for yourself so that you get the most up-to-date info. But now that we know what product to create, how do we actually turn it into a real product? Well, first, we need to create the design. But I'm not a graphic designer. So normally at this point, you'd have to hire a designer and wait days, maybe even weeks to get your product design created. But I'm going to show you how we can create a professional looking design ourselves that we can put on a hoodie in literally minutes using AI. So let's move on to the second tool in our AI workflow, which is Gemini. And specifically, we're going to use an AI image generator inside of Gemini called 𝗓𝗏𝗧𝗏. Now, if you haven't heard of 𝗓𝗏𝗧𝗏 yet, it's, in my opinion, one of the best AI image generators right now. And the reason why I love it is because it can replicate any style of design we want to create new, unique designs in just a couple of seconds. So I'm going to show you how to use 𝗓𝗏𝗧𝗏 to recreate design styles that are winning right now, but for the niche and idea that ChatGPT agent suggested for us. So I already found this winning design that's currently trending on Etsy within this niche that I'm going to use for inspiration or as a reference for 𝗓𝗏𝗧𝗏. But it's really important to understand that you should not copy someone else's design exactly, because it's very wrong to do that. And you could run into copyright issues. And also, even if you did, this winning product already has the momentum and lots of reviews, so you won't be able to compete with them anyways. So it's really important that you create a new, unique design for yourself, using the winning style and idea as inspiration, not replicate. So once you have a design you want to use as reference, you're going to open Gemini, click this plus icon here, then upload an image of the design you want to use as reference by clicking right here. And then select image with the little banana beside it. This is how you turn on 𝗓𝗏𝗧𝗏 so that it will create images for you. And then I'm going to give 𝗓𝗏𝗧𝗏 a prompt that tells it to analyze this design and replicate it, but for my specific niche, using info ChatGPT agent gave us in step number 1. You can see the prompt I'm using right here, but don't forget it's also listed in my video checklist, so you can copy and paste it from there. Now, once you do that, you're going to submit the prompt, and 𝗓𝗏𝗧𝗏 is going to analyze that image and generate a brand new, unique design for us in just a few seconds. And once it's done, you can see here the image it created. It fits the style of the reference image perfectly, and also matches the new design idea we gave it from ChatGPT. But if it's not exactly what you want, you can also ask 𝗓𝗏𝗧𝗏 to make whatever changes you want just by prompting it again, like this. Here you can see my final design. And we got here in literally less than 5 minutes, which is wild because, believe it or not, images like these used to cost me a lot to have someone create for me and would take days or weeks for me to receive them back. So again, AI is really the key to starting a successful one-person business because you can now do all of these tasks alone in a fraction of the time. Now, I know I went through this part pretty quickly because YouTube actually hates it when my videos get too long. So if you want a more detailed breakdown of how to do product research and find these winning designs, or how to create more complex designs with 𝗓𝗏𝗧𝗏, I go over all of that inside my community where I go live to answer questions and show you how to build things in real time. There's over 500 members inside of the community right now, so you'll be surrounded by lots of like-minded people just like you. The link is below this video if you want to join. Okay, so now we have our design created, but here is where a lot of people stop because they think they need to pay a ton of money up front to order inventory and figure out how to package and ship all of their products to their customers themselves. Well, the good news is you don't have to, because it's 2026 and there's apps and tools now that will do all of this for you without having to pay anything upfront for inventory or shipping. Let me show you how to completely automate this entire process so you never have to touch a single product with our next tool in our AI workflow. The next tool is called 𝗕𝗿𝗓. You can get access to it through the link down in the description, and you can create your free account by clicking right here. And if you've never heard of 𝗕𝗿𝗓 before, it's a print-on-demand platform, which basically means it handles all of the product production, design printing, and shipping of your products to your customers for you. And it's probably the most important part of this whole one-person business process because it does all of this automatically. And automation means time freedom, which is why I love sharing 𝗕𝗿𝗓 as a simple way to start a one-person business. I've literally been using 𝗕𝗿𝗓 for almost a decade, back from when I created my very first online business, which I ended up selling for a profit. They know what they're doing, and they have thousands of high-quality products in their catalog that you can customize from locations all over the world, which means the shipping is also really fast. And if you're wondering how you actually get paid with print on demand, you only pay 𝗕𝗿𝗓 after a customer buys something from you first. Then the difference between what the customer pays you and what 𝗕𝗿𝗓 charges for production is your profit, which you can see right here. But let me show you how you can take your newly created AI design and add it to a product so that you can turn this digital image into a profitable physical product. First, create your 𝗕𝗿𝗓 account by clicking here. Then select the physical product you want to add onto your design from their catalog, clicking right here. Don't forget to go back to your ChatGPT agent response from step number 1 to look at what it suggested. For me, it suggested a hoodie. I'm going to choose this one right here from the catalog, but sometimes there's different options to pick from for each product type. So look through the options and pick one that you think would work best based on the type of design you're adding and where you want the design to be placed on your product. Once you pick your product, click on the Start Designing button here, which will take you right into their built-in 𝗕𝗿𝗓 editor, which will also show a template of whatever product you chose. You'll also see important information about your product here and how to use the editor. If it's your first time creating anything in 𝗕𝗿𝗓, you really should read this part over before you close it. From here, you're going to upload the design that we just created using 𝗕𝗏𝗧𝗏 by clicking the Upload button, and then select your design file from your computer. And now you can see the design on the product template. You can move it around and resize it like this, but make sure it fits within these dotted lines, which is the print area. Anything outside of this area will get cut off when 𝗕𝗿𝗓 creates it for your customers. So make sure your design stays inside these lines. Now, if you're also creating an embroidered design, there's some extra criteria that you need to follow when creating your product to make sure that it turns out correctly. I'm not going to go over them in this video because not everyone watching this will be doing embroidery on their product. You might be creating a tumbler or a graphic t-shirt or wall art, for example. But if you are doing embroidery, make sure you read over this document here from 𝗕𝗿𝗓 before you create your product. Next, once you place your design where you want it to be on your product, you can also choose the colors and sizes of the hoodie you want to sell by clicking right here. Then choose the colors like this and sizes here. Now, once you're happy with how it looks, you're going to click Preview to see mock-ups of what your product would look like in real life once 𝗕𝗿𝗓 creates it for you. Do not skip this step because it's important that you see what your product will look like when your customers receive it. If you're happy with how it looks, click the Save button here. And now 𝗕𝗿𝗓 is going to take you to the product detail page where you can add your product title, description, and set your pricing. And don't worry if you have no idea how to write these things, because 𝗕𝗿𝗓 actually has a built-in AI that can write your product title and description for you. To do that, click this button here, then 𝗕𝗿𝗓 AI will write your title, description, and even your keyword tags for you, which will come into play in the next step when we're talking about marketing your products. And then for pricing, you can see here that 𝗕𝗿𝗓 shows you exactly how much it costs to produce the product, and then you set your retail price here. Then here you'll see how much your profit will be. Make sure you always round up to a price that looks clean and familiar like this, instead of something weird like $99.73, for example. Once you've done that, scroll down and click the Publish button if you've already connected your existing store. Or if you're brand new and don't have a store yet, or you just haven't connected your store yet, click the Save as Draft button. Then to create a new store or link your existing one, click this button here from the left menu, then select Add New Store. That will bring you to this screen here where you can create or connect any of these types of online store options. For this tutorial, we focused on Etsy, but you can also choose Amazon, TikTok Shop, Shopify, or any of these other options. But here you can see my example product live in my test Etsy account. And the best part is, from this point forward, everything is completely automated. Every time someone buys your product, Printify gets the order, creates it, and ships it to your customer for you. You don't have to do anything. And that's how you build a completely automated one-person business with tangible physical products. But hold on, you could have the best products in the world, but if no one knows they exist, you're never gonna make anything. So let me show you 3 simple marketing strategies that you can use to get your print-on-demand products in front of the people who actually want to buy them. And I'm going to keep it simple because honestly, this is where most people completely overcomplicate things. The first strategy is SEO and AEO. Now, you're probably thinking, SEO and keywords, I know. But what the hell is AEO? It stands for Answer Engine Optimization, which is basically optimizing your product listings so that they show up in AI search results like ChatGPT shopping. I actually made a full tutorial on this on my channel if you want to check it out. So I'm going to keep this explanation short so I don't bore you. But yes, ChatGPT now has a shopping feature where people can buy your products directly inside of their ChatGPT chats. And if your products are optimized correctly with the right SEO and AEO keywords, they could show up right inside ChatGPT when people are chatting and get recommended to the millions of people who use ChatGPT every single day. The second marketing strategy is to create better product images using AI. And don't skip forward thinking this is too basic, because I promise you, the product image is the first thing people see when they're scrolling or searching through products online or in ChatGPT. And if your product image is crap, they're just gonna keep scrolling and no one is gonna buy from you. Basic images like these can actually hurt your sales, so you need to fix this ASAP. So what I like to do is use 𝗕𝗿𝗡𝗍 to create lifestyle product images that show my product in real-world settings, and even better, of AI avatars or AI people actually wearing or interacting with the products. I also made a full tutorial explaining in detail how to do this using 𝗕𝗿𝗡𝗍 if you want to learn how to use AI to create better product images, or learn how to create AI avatars interacting with your products. That tutorial walked you through exactly how to create those realistic lifestyle images in just a few minutes, and how to add them to your product listings to really grab attention. And the third marketing strategy is Pinterest and social media marketing. Now, I've talked about Pinterest a lot on my channel because it's hands down one of my favorite traffic sources for e-commerce. Because unlike Google, where people search for literally everything, Pinterest is a visual search engine where people search for products they specifically want to buy. And another reason I love Pinterest is because it's evergreen and free. Your pins keep driving traffic for months or even years without having to pay for ads or having to post every single day like Instagram or TikTok. If you want to learn more about effective Pinterest marketing, I do not have a full tutorial on this yet on my channel. But if you still want to learn from me on how to sell products using Pinterest, make sure you join my community because I'll be doing a live training there soon where I show how to do it step by step. The link to join my community is down in the description. Now, these are just 3 ways you can increase attention and views on your new print-on-demand products and online store as a complete beginner. But there's also lots of other really cool marketing ideas that you can do with AI as well, which I'm going to cover in my new upcoming tutorials. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already so that you don't miss them. But now you have a simple plan to start a one-person business with AI in 2026 using my AI workflow. So now the last thing you need to do is actually do it, which sounds like duh, but it's crazy how many people watch and never implement what I'm showing you. Then they complain they're still in the same place they were last year. So take action, keep learning, and start creating the lifestyle you always wanted.